2019 BMW F850 GS. Not a GSA, it is a GS. It does have, with the rally trim, premium package, so it's going to have heated grips, cruise control, the dynamic modes, road, enduro, ABS, heated grips, cruise control. Aftermarket stuff on this bike. Well, you got the two Vario OEM BMW side cases, and then you have GS crash bars, perf LED fog lights. Front tires pretty new, Anarchy Wild, really like it. Whoever buys it should get one to match the back. Puig headlight cover, an additional side wind protection. Madstad oversized windscreen, which is awesome. I'm 6 foot tall and I still get hit with the wind, but it's pretty nice. GoPro mount, bark busters, plastic, a little scratched up. Crash bars, fog lights, no center stand. 53,026 miles. Well ridden, well maintained. New gear shift sensor, which is right there. Probably needs a new back tire, and it's missing a spring right there. I'm going to try and get that fixed right now on the foot peg. No center stand. Rotopax Pelican case and BMW Vario side cases. It is GPS prepped with your wireless charger. It does have the auxiliary outlet there, that with the Optimate you have 2 USBs, so you can charge 3 devices while you're riding. And we'll look at the back. These BMW stickers are reflective, which is pretty cool at night. New chain, new sprockets, and the back tire is about due a couple thousand miles. 2019 BMW F850 GS premium package for sale.